Understanding the phrase, out to lunch, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, out to lunch. This phrase is a great example of English idioms that can be both fun and a bit confusing for learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. First, let's look at the literal meaning. Out to lunch simply means someone is physically away from their usual location, like their office, to have lunch. It's a common phrase used in workplaces. For example, if someone asks for Mr. Smith and he's gone to eat, you might say, Mr. Smith is out to lunch. Now, let's explore the figurative meaning. In a non-literal sense, out to lunch can mean someone is not paying attention or is mentally absent. It's often used humorously or lightly to suggest that someone is not fully aware of what's happening. For example, if someone misses an obvious joke, you might whisper to a friend, I think he's a bit out to lunch today. Understanding the context is key. If you're in an office and it's around lunchtime, out to lunch probably means someone is eating. But if you're in a meeting and someone seems confused, the same phrase could imply they're not focused. Always consider the situation and tone of voice to grasp the correct meaning. There are similar phrases in English like, in a world of his own, or head in the clouds, which also suggests someone is not paying full attention. Comparing these can help understand the nuances in English expressions. That's all about out to lunch. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun for your English learning journey. Remember, idiomatic expressions add color to the language, and understanding them is a big step in becoming fluent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.